Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how to do web scraping using Microsoft Excel. You might have a question that what is web scraping? Let me tell you. Web scraping is a technique which is used to extract data from websites. Let's see how we can do it practically. Yeah, if you want to practice along with me, then follow these instructions. Click on the website's link provided in the description box. Now you're good to go. Once you have clicked on the link, it will open a Wikipedia website, which is the list of asset management firm. Okay. Come down, you will see this is the table which we are going to pull it inside Microsoft Excel. Okay. First of all, go to this search box and copy the URL. Control C. Once the URL is copied, now let's jump to Excel to pull the data. Wow. We have copied the URL. Now let's jump into this data tab. Come to this data tab in the menu bar. Come to this group called Get and Transform Data. Click on this Get Data option. You are having a plenty of options where you can pull the data from. You can pull the data from a PDF, from an Excel, from a database. But for the sake of this video, we are going to pull the data from web. So come to this from other sources. Click on this from web. Okay. Now a small dialog box will appear. Paste the URL which you have copied. Click on OK. It will take some time and it will open this navigation window. Navigation window will help you to navigate through all the tables that contain inside that website. See this table 7, it contains a small amount of data. Table 10, it contains also a little big amount of data. But we are interested in this largest company. See, it is similar to the data which we have seen in the website. Now you are having two options down below, that is transform data and load data. Transform data, if you click on this, then it is going to help you for data cleaning. But for the sake of this video, we don't require that. So I will just go simply with load. Yeah, okay. Just a second, it will take some time and the data will be here in just some seconds. See, the data is here. We have brought the table from the web, but see, I don't want this formatting to be here. I just want the table. Uh, First of all, let's click on all the cells, Control A, come to this Home tab. Here in the eraser option, pull the drop down, click on this clear format. Once you have clear format, now this everything is in just simple table. If you want to create it, you can create it in a very fascinated way, but I don't require it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.